Hello, in this programming video I am going to show you logical operators. So logical operators essentially allow you to check if you have two or let's say more values that are equate to true or false, and you can combine if you want all of them to be true or just part of them to be true, or maybe you don't want them to be true. And let me show you exactly what I mean. So if I create a variable var var1, I'm going to assign you a value of true, var2, assign you a value of true, and now we're going to console. First of all, the first operator is the AND operator. So I'm going to do console.log. And here we are going to put var1 double ampersand, that is the operator for this, double ampersand var2, and let's see what we get. So if we run it, we get true. So what happens if we change one of them to false? We get false, and the reason for that is the AND operator says that all of the inputs have to be true. If one of them is false, then I'm angry, then I'm false as well. Let me show you the next one. Next one is OR operator, and this is two vertical pipes. And if I run it, it gets true, and it only requires one of the inputs on either side to equate to true. And if I change this to false, however, we get false. Let me show you the last one. The last operator is the NOT operator. This is simply an exclamation mark, and if I do this, I put NOT in front of some other input. It could be in front of the output of this or the output of this, and you would need to put that in brackets, or just a single variable on its own. Let's see what we get. We get true. So basically just inverses it. That's all the NOT operator simply does. By thinking, where would we use this? So this is great to be used in conjunction with the comparison operators. So let me just quickly show you something. So if I create another variable, let's call it num1 equals 9, var num2 equals 10, do var num3 equals 11, var num4 equals, let's do 10, let's do 11 as well. Okay, so we're going to do console.log, and we want to check if essentially num1 is less than 10 and num3 is the same as 11. So we want both conditions to be true. So first of all, put brackets, and we want to check num1 is less than num2. We also want to check, so this is where the double ampersand comes in, if num3 is, and we need to put brackets, num3 is equal to num4, and save it, see what we get. We get a print of true, because 9 is less than 10, so this essentially equates to true. Num3, does it equal num4? Yes, 11 is equal to 11. So this also equates to true. True and true is, true. So that's it for logical operators. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message and I'll assist you. There'll be the GitHub link as well, so feel free to peruse through that. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in my next awesome video.